Okay, and this is Silver Winner. I Got Chills by Garman Homes. I'm excited to see this one because it is $399.99, which puts it in a way more affordable price range than a lot of parade homes. So I'm just like super excited, I guess, to see regular people houses. I always try to have a good mix of like super luxurious mansions and regular people houses. So I just ran into one of the agents here and she said they just closed on this house before the parade of homes started. So the person's closing it on in 2 weeks. So they came and got all the staging furniture out of it, but they have an additional floor plan across the street that has furniture and is staged. And she said I could run in and look at both of them, which is great because I only have a few minutes left of the parade. So this is a bedroom. And it's got nice closet, really nice closet space. And then, ensuite shower, very nice. Double vanity, little room for the toilet. Every house has a little room or a cubby or something for the toilet, except for that one house I saw that had it out in the middle of the bathroom, which was crazy. Is this just a coat closet? Okay, we got this big open concept situation that everybody loves, except for me. I am not an open concept person, but it has literally been the dominant design choice my entire life. And I think this is nice. I actually think there's like some kind of separation here. Like if you're in the living room, you could be in the kitchen cooking and it's like not too much crossover. And then I guess the dining would go here by the kitchen naturally. I love this tile backsplash. I think that's really pretty, and I think the sage green looks nice. I like these light fixtures. I think this is a nice space for less than $400,000. Yeah, this is the category in the plaque. Silver, $371 to $399.99 is the thing. Oh, and I didn't mention this. What first drew my eye to this house is the name. It's called I Got Chills, and I think that is so fun. Look at this huge pantry. Oh my goodness. This is a humongous pantry for this price point. This is a great pantry. I like it. I really like this. This is a good space. So this subdivision is called Allen Park, and it's, 2-car garage, I think. 2 cars and enough, you have a little extra room for some storage. Very nice. And then, stacked washer dryer. Very good. We're using our space efficiently. And then we've got a little powder room for our guests. A lot of efficient use of space. And then we have the staircase gone up. And I've heard that the staircase right in front of the front door, like it is in my house, is bad feng shui. So I guess it's good that this isn't. Ooh, is this a spider? Are you a spider? Nope, you're grass. Oh, love it. I love when there's like a landing bonus space. So this is great. This is really nice. You can look out the window. See a bit of the subdivision. So this is in Raleigh. And like I said, it's in Allen Park, which I think is like, I want to say northeast Raleigh, but don't quote me on that, honestly. I'm driving around all these parade houses and I get a little mixed up. Ooh, this is a very deep closet. Very, very deep closet. And then we've got secondary bedroom. Decent size. Closet. You get your window. This for your kid. That's the one on the end there that they said is staged. So I'll look at that next, as long as I don't run out of time. And here's another bedroom, closet, and a dual vanity for the 2 secondary bedrooms. Bathtub. That's the linen closet. I was wondering where the linen closet was. Very nice. So 3 bedrooms, pretty huge pantry. And you get this nice bonus space, like family room area. That, I think, is a really nice touch. I think that is a very, very, very nice touch. Okay. Silver winner. Gonna walk right into the chandelier. And now I'm gonna motor on over to the other house real quick. Try to get everything before everything closes. All right, and this is more of the subdivision. This is the same subdivision as the I Got Chills, the silver winner I just saw. And as I explained already, that sold just before the Parade of Homes started. And so they're closing in like 2 weeks. So they went and got all of the staging furniture out of there and brought it into this house. It's the same floor plan, but staged. And this is the Allen Park subdivision. This is Garman Homes. And this is like $399.99, which is like a very, very competitive price point for pretty much anywhere in the Triangle, right? Triangle housing market has been booming like forever, since before I moved here. So I think all of these houses are gonna go fast. Ooh, all right. So this is the staged version of I Got Chills. This is nice. Yeah. I'm like imagining my couch there and my console and my TV above there. This is this. And then we've got this coat closet right here. And then we have owner's bedroom here. Love the headboard, all the pillows, little seating area. So I would say this is like maybe a queen, I think it's a queen. It could be a king. It's definitely bigger than a full. So it gives you a sense of like the size of this bedroom. And you have this room for this bench. You could probably put a dresser or shelf over there. It's a good sized bedroom, that's my point. You've got this closet space, walk-in closet space here. And then got your dual sink, mirror, hi. And you've got your ensuite shower and your little toilet with door. You can close it and keep the toilet energy in there. This is your window. You can look and see like, oh, has my mail been delivered yet? Have they delivered my mail? What are my neighbors up to? What's going on in those trees? All right, and back to the main living area. I know exactly what you're gonna say about that bedroom, Mom. You can just like text me when you hear this and me predicting exactly what your thoughts are about that bedroom, because I know exactly what you'll say. Every time I see the bedrooms now, I can't help but think. I can't help but think it. Look at this fiddle leaf fig. I mean, not a real one, but like, that's what it is. All right, this is a pretty big table. It seats like 8. And you have room to fit this in this whole combined living, dining, kitchen space. And then you've got the bar stool situation. I had an apartment that had this sort of layout, and I had the bar stools for a while. I rarely used them. I just ate on the couch. And I've since seen people instead use that like kind of bar stool area for shelf storage. Oh, Mom, you've done that actually. You've put like shelving under that. Anyway, it's nice. Counter space, island, dishwasher, oven, gas stove, big old microwave, tile backsplash, but different color. I like the jade in the other house a little more. And once again, you have your huge pantry, recessed lighting. We love recessed lighting. And also, yeah, you got the under cabinet lighting here for this, which is really nice. All these light fixtures. This is main living space. Stage version of I Got Chills. The silver winner for under $400,000. And then, garage. I think I actually will go in this one. So this is your 2-car garage. There's your breaker box. I think you have this space here for some, like, storing some outdoor type garage equipment. If you only have 1 car in the 2-car garage, you have even more storage space. Or if you just don't use the garage like most people do, and fill the garage with stuff. All right, and this stacked washer dryer. And then this one is the powder room. Guests. And we go up the stairs. And then we've got the bonus room. So this one's not staged, but I guess you can imagine what you would do here. Home office, family room. This is nice. It's got a view of like this woods patch here. And you can see they do the design thing where they have alleys behind the houses. That's where the entry into the driveway and the garages are. And I guess where you put your trash cans and trash day. So all of the front of the houses are just like sidewalk and stuff, and not like a big giant garage. And sidewalk broken up by driveways. This is a really good size bonus space. And we got hall closet, really deep hall closet, really deep whole closet. And then we've got this bathroom, which has bathtub. This is a good size bathtub. Like, this is deeper than mine. And my bathtub is also just like the combo shower bath setup in a normal size regular person bathroom. But it's like, it looks deeper than mine, and I'm a little jealous because it makes me think like, okay, I could fit a bigger, deeper tub in the space I have. And linen closet. And then this bedroom is staged. It's like a kid's room. That's a good sized bedroom. So this is like a full, I think. Yeah, that's a full for sure. And you could probably fit like a desk and a bookshelf in here. So your kid could do their homework, play video games, whatever. I'm very impressed, right? I think it's nice to see what they do in the luxury market with the big mansions, but it's also like equally impressive to see how they get a lot of utility of smaller space and at an affordable price point. So less than $400,000, you have this 3-bedroom with the owner's suite downstairs, 2 bedrooms upstairs, and this bonus space on the landing. I think this is a great option for like a young family. Really awesome house. I like it. I could see myself living here so long as I could put a bathtub right over here in this room. I would have to add a bathtub. Gotta have a bathtub. Otherwise, perfect. All right. And that is the I Got Chills. Oop. They locked me in. By Garman Homes. I've got this cute little porch here. And I guess I'll show you the neighborhood as I walk back to my car. This is the very last home on the parade tour for this year. Last few minutes of the Triangle Parade of Homes 2025. Look at this, a lot of these are sold. So this is a very popular subdivision. I'm not surprised that so many of these have sold. Like I said, this like under 500,000 price point is super, super, super competitive. Triangle real estate market has been booming for like 20 years, and like post-pandemic, you know, it's gotten crazy like everywhere else, and it was already crazy. I would say like the triangle housing market did not even kind of feel a slowdown because of the 2008 housing or financial crash, to give you an idea of how crazy things have been here for a while. So if you want one of these in Allen Park, snatch them up quick, because they're going like hotcakes.